Hello everyone, myself Jyoti Katigi, Assistant Professor ENC Department BGMIT Mudhol. Today we will do the experiment on design an adder circuit using op-amp 741. Okay, this is according to your syllabus, 5th experiment. The circuit diagram for this adder is shown in figure here. Here we are using R1, R2 and RF as 1 kilo ohm resistors. Op-amp 741 is used in the inverting configuration. Then pin number 3 is connected to ground and pin number 7 is given to plus 12 volts, pin number 4 is given to minus 12 volts, and we are measuring the output at the pin number 6 using multimeter. Here we are giving the input, two inputs V1 and V2 to the non-inverting terminal, that is pin number 2. Okay, see here the derivation I have done, that is VB is connected to ground, that is voltage across the pin number 3 non-inverting terminal. VB is equal to 0 volts because it is connected to ground. Then according to virtual ground concept, VA is equal to VB. Since VB is 0, VA is also equal to 0. Next, the current I is equal to I1 plus I2, where I1 is the current flowing through resistance R1 and I2 is the current flowing through resistance R2. The total current is I1 plus I2, that is I, will flow through the feedback resistor RF. Since the input impedance of the op-amp is very high, the current through the terminal, the negative terminal is 0. Therefore, the current I, the same current I, which is the addition of I1 plus I2, which will go through the resistance RF. Therefore, I have written here I is equal to I1 plus I2, where I is equal to VA minus V0 divided by RF. I is the current flowing through the feedback resistor RF. Okay, that I is equal to VA minus V0 divided by RF. Since VA is equal to 0, we will get I is equal to V minus V0 by RF. Similarly, I1 is equal to, I1 is the current flowing through resistance R1. I1 is equal to V1 minus VA divided by R1. Here VA is equal to 0, we will get I1 is equal to V1 by R1. Similarly, I2 is equal to V2 minus VA divided by R2, where I2 is the current flowing through resistance R2. Here also VA is 0, therefore I2 will get it as V2 by R2. Then substitute this I1, I2 and I in the equation that mentioned as I is equal to I1 plus I2. Therefore, I you got it as minus V0 by RF and I1 is V1 by R1 plus I2 is V2 by R2. Therefore, what you will get? V0 equal to minus RF by R1 V1, RF by R1 into V1 plus minus of RF by R2 into V2. Okay, after simplification, you will get it as minus RF by R1 V1 minus RF by R2 V2. Here you have taken R1, R2 and RF resistance as same, that is 1 kilo ohm. Therefore, output voltage you will get it as minus V1 plus V2. Okay, that is nothing but the addition of both the input voltages. Output is nothing but the addition of two input voltages. Okay, negative sign you will get because you are using the op-amp in a non-inverting mode, inverting mode. Not we are using the op-amp in a inverting mode because you are giving the input to the negative terminal. That's why you will get a negative sign. Okay, the tabular column as shown here, you have to vary the value of V1 and V2. Theoretically, you have to calculate this output voltage by using equation minus V1 plus V2. Practically, you have to observe the output by varying the V1 and V2 voltages. Okay, as the aim of the experiment is an adder circuit. That means it has to add the both inputs. You can give more than two inputs also, V1, V2, V3. Okay. Now I will show the output connection for the same experiment. See here I used power supply 12 volts minus 12 volts that I have given to pin number 7 plus 12 volt and pin number 4 minus 12 volts, and ground connections I have made. Similarly, V1 and U2 I have used another power supply here plus 12 volts and minus 12 volts ground connections for plus 7 pin number 7 and pin number 4. Then here I have used V1 and this one as V2. Okay, by varying these voltages we will get the output voltage at the multimeter. Here I have connected the resistances R1, R2 and RF. R1 is given to pin number 2 and R2 is given also to the pin number 2, and RF is the feedback resistors across pin number 2 and 6, and output you are measuring across the multimeter across pin number 6. Okay, here I kept the input voltage as, suppose I will keep input voltage as 2 volts. Around 2 volts I will keep. Next measure the output at the multimeter. See how much input voltage I have kept, 1.9 around 2, 1.9 plus 2.9 is 4.8. Then in the multimeter, theoretically it is minus 4.8. In the multimeter you are getting across minus 4.78. Okay, you can observe for other inputs also. Suppose if I will make here the input voltage V1, I will make it as around 5. Then 5 plus 2.9 is 7.9 you should get theoretically. Practically how much you will get? Here see, you will get it as 7.82. Okay, the same thing I have drawn here, the tabular column. By varying the input and the output voltage, you have to cross verify the theoretical and the practical output. Okay, this is about adder circuit using 741. Thank you.